This is a web-based application with unlimited user login feature with fully controlled rights. In the home page, we see two lists, position summary list and pending task list. Let's have a look at the entire process flow. First, we need to create the levels for approval before creating the position. Create a new template of the same and add those users whose approval is required. The requirements are created in the Position tab in the home page. Thus, filling up all the parameters brings you to the first level of approval stage. Now, the first level approver needs to accept the requirement and forward it to the second level for approval. After the final level approval, the position is created. The next part is creation of steps. These steps are customized. N number of process steps could be created. Steps could be scheduled accordingly. Decision rights can be controlled in the process steps. You can assign steps to multiple users, assign decision makers, create optional schedulized steps, create status messages for steps, etc. Let us now see how the CVs are imported in the internal database. CVs could be singly or bulkily imported. While importing the CV, all the predefined parameters are auto-filled in. The duplicate CV is easily detected. Once the position is created and resumes are imported, you can start with profiling and fitment. You can also create and save email templates which could be further used for mailing to candidates and users. With the search engine using different parameters, you can easily search your target candidate. From here, you can shortlist the candidate. At the same time, you can view the history and the process the candidate is already in. Once the candidate is shortlisted for a particular requirement, it will appear in your pending task list showing further steps of process. Thus, the candidate appears in the next step so defined while creating the steps of that particular requirement. Now follow what the action required column asks you to. In this case, the immediate activity to be done is scheduling for interview. While scheduling, system asks for auto email reminders to be sent to candidates and users through Outlook or SMTP. You simply have to select the template created beforehand. Similarly, system will keep telling you your next action to be performed. You simply have to tick on the option and enter feedback from all the given possibilities. Similarly, you can carry out the entire process as directed by the application, whether the candidate joins or is rejected or hold or move to other position in between. Alerts are shown in case of any wrong process or in case is handled by any unauthorized users. Let's now have a look at other options. Latest activities performed in each process step is recorded. With the Smart Search option in the home page, you can search from the huge chunk of candidates using different parameters. As you click on the desired candidate, you get to see the history and the entire profile of the selected candidate. You can also set up a reminder for the application to remind you, for example, any future call with the candidate, reminder call for interview, etc. Such reminders flashes in the home page of your screen according to the preset time. The hierarchy report shows the structure of the organization. The position summary in the home page gives the summary of the position created, the vacancies of each requirement, and the status of each step.